Welcome back to our daily report market analysis videos with me, which is market analyst at Hantec on Monday, the 20th of April. Looking at my final chart, which is gold today, this corrective move that we've been discussing in the last few sessions is sort of still taking hold. The negative candle started to come through on Wednesday last week, and then now with Friday's downside break of this uptrend and the move that confirmed close below 1702, which is the old breakout support, which had been holding up until that point, completed a small top pattern on the hourly chart. See that here? This is the hourly chart. That top pattern completed below 1706, which gave an implied downside target of around about sort of 1666, 1670 area. And lo and behold, we've seen that target pretty much achieved now. So it'll be interesting to see how much further this corrective move does go. Obviously, we saw previously this sharp move to the downside in mid-March, which went a long way further than we had anticipated before. Obviously, the support started to build again. It shot straight through to new multi-year highs. We think that we still believe that gold will be medium term on a positive run. I think the outlook for gold is very strong fundamentally and also technically for a medium to longer term basis. Just on a near term basis, it is turning corrective or has turned corrective. The next move or the next part of that corrective phase would happen if you saw a close below 1671, which is this breakout level here. This old high that then became the basis of support is now a pivot line, and you can see that on the hourly chart as well, and it's been tested this morning. You can see also that there is a slight element of corrective outlook now on the hourly momentum indicators. RSI consistently sort of bumbling below 40, but not decisively negative, I would add, given the fact that it's still above 30. So it'll be interesting to see how far this correction does go. Below 1671, you're looking at 1640, which is the next pivot line of the break of the old uptrend. But I'd be anticipating that I should be looking at probably the next buy signal between maybe 1640 and 1670 area. Now, I mean, I admit that, as I said, I'm sort of looking for similar type of correction down through the mid-March phase, but then mid-March was beset by massive selling pressure through equities, and we've got sort of more settled markets at the moment. So maybe you get a more of a settled look to gold in the correction before the next support starts to come in, and then you swing back higher again. But still on the lookout for potential for further continuation of this move lower. You've got the momentum indicators, which are now starting to sort of post these negative signals. So there is still further run in this move in the correction, but just how far before you start to see the support coming in and the buy signals renewing once more. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinar.